Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change the region in FIFA Mobile. So the first thing that you can do is when you tap on the gear icon or the settings, you'll be able to see here the region. But unfortunately, the application alone could not change the region. So the solution that we can do is to exit the game first, and then we will have to go to our Play Store or App Store. Okay, and then we'll have to search for this application, the Tunnel Bear VPN. Okay, this one, and then install this application. So you will just have to wait for a few seconds or a minute before this application will be installed to your device. Okay, and then when you are done installing the application, you will have to go to your phone settings, okay, and then navigate to your apps, and then tap on manage apps. And from there, you can use the search bar to search for the FIFA Mobile because we will have to uninstall and clear the data of this application first. Okay, so you'll just have to tap on the clear data and then clear all data and also the uninstall option. And then after doing that, we will have to, download the FIFA Mobile again and then open the application. So you will have to download everything like what you did in the beginning. And then just tap on any of this. And finally, as you can see, your region has been changed. And that's it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.